Welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Airbrush photo editor, the photo editor that understands you. Now, as of 2025, the Airbrush photo editor is highly regarded as a user-friendly, mobile-first app excelling at quick portrait retouching and social media edits. So you can download it for your phone, Android phone, iOS, and for your PC, Mac and Windows. So here's the app, a photo editor for everyday use, for content creators, for professionals. Though its most powerful features require a subscription, some users report inconsistent experience with updates and billing. So let's look at the pros and cons as of 2025. Let's start with the pro. It's extremely user-friendly and intuitive. It's suitable for beginners and casual users. Number 2 is excellent for quick portrait retouching, like skin smoothing, blemish wrinkle removal, and teeth whitening. It's also a powerful tool for background and object removal, image enhancement, and upscaling. The Airbrush.ai web platform offers a variety of AI image generators like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, and commercial usage rights. Active development with new features like AI video enhancers and AI headshot generators were added in 2025. Now let's look at the cons. Pricing is confusing and varies by platform or region. Subscription required for premium features and if you don't want watermarks, you need to subscribe. Then some users report that recent updates in 2024-25 negatively impacted the performance of their favorite tools, for example, the smooth feature. The free version often includes a watermark on exported images. Then it lacks the granular control and non-destructive workflow needed by professional photographers using software like Adobe Photoshop. Then we have occasional bugs, performance issues on older phones, and reports of billing customer support problems exist in user reviews. So in summary, the Airbrush app is generally seen as a powerful tool for social media creators and small business owners who prioritize speed and convenience in editing. Editing photos on their mobile devices. The AI tools, particularly for retouching and object removal, are praised for delivering natural-looking results with minimal effort. However, the user experience can be inconsistent. While many find the app seamless, many people find the app seamless. You can see their testimonies here. It has its 172.8K ratings, so they do find it seamless. While some are frustrated with subscription payment management, unexpected price hikes, and the removal or degradation of previously reliable features. Overall, it's considered worth trying the free version to see if the available features meet your needs before committing to a paid subscription. Hope you found this video helpful.